Are you one of the many retirees who have an offshore account? With the current global financial instability, it's a question more people are asking themselves. But here's the big issue. How do you protect your retirement savings when the rules are changing and inflation is soaring? It's a challenge that many Americans are facing right now, and the stakes have never been higher. Just last month, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates again, marking another uncertain chapter for those planning their retirement. With the threat of a recession looming and markets being as volatile as ever, it's clear that the traditional retirement accounts we've come to trust might not be enough to safeguard our future. That's why you need to be asking yourself, how safe is your retirement savings? And, more importantly, what can you do today to protect your hard-earned money? Meet John and Sarah from Florida, retirees who were feeling the pressure. After years of building their nest egg, they found themselves looking at a shrinking dollar, stock market instability, and global uncertainty. John had worked for over 35 years in finance, and Sarah had been a school teacher. They'd built a solid life, but when the market started to shift, they realized that what they had saved might not hold up. They were no longer comfortable with the idea of relying solely on a traditional 401k or IRA, especially when they had investments in offshore accounts that could be affected by international economic policies. So, they decided to take action. They got in touch with experts who showed them how a gold IRA could be the perfect solution to protect their savings, especially with everything happening in the world today. By converting part of their retirement into gold, they weren't just making a move to preserve their wealth, they were securing their future. The price of gold tends to rise when the economy is in turmoil, which gives it a unique advantage over traditional assets like stocks and bonds. What makes a gold IRA such a smart move for people like John and Sarah is that it offers a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Unlike regular paper assets, gold is a tangible asset that holds its value even when the dollar falters. And, as you can see in today's headlines, with the economy on the edge of uncertainty, many are turning to gold to ensure that their retirement savings remain intact. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get started with a gold IRA? Well, it's easier than you think, and there's no better time than now. If you've got $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, you can take advantage of a free, no-obligation educational call with us to explore your options. We'll walk you through the entire process, explain how gold IRAs work, and see if it's a good fit for your retirement plan. This isn't a sales pitch, and there are no gimmicks, just honest, straightforward advice from experts who have helped hundreds of retirees like you. John and Sarah's story didn't end with a quick fix. They took the time to educate themselves, ask the right questions, and make the best choice for their future. By taking that first step, they now have peace of mind knowing their retirement is safer no matter what the markets do. You've worked hard for your retirement, and you deserve to have the right tools to protect it. So, if you have at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, why not take advantage of our free guide and consultation? There's no pressure, just a quick and informative chat to help you decide if a gold IRA is right for you. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your consultation today. Secure your future and protect your legacy for the next generation.